Casey, are you in position?
Yes, I'm waiting for Bruce Wayne to leave the waiver rider.
Alright, so how are we gonna do this, Riot?
I could cast a spell to make the prisoners made it or other. Master, that's brilliant. I know Cassandra Strax's team Fendi G Lofa. It worked now. I hope one in Spirit can shut down that factory.
Great, I see the shut-off switch. You cause a distraction. Will I press it? Will I press it?
Don't worry, Miss Cruz, I got you. I'm having a heart attack. Don't worry, Miss Cruz, Don't worry, Miss Cruz, I'm having a heart attack.
Sorry, factory, the fuse been shut down. Goodbye, waiver hydro fleet.
Yes, Spoon winded it.
We meet at last. So here, the Flash that defeated my daughter, the Red Death.